Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have one of our dolls, Shally. She's going to join us as we bake some Halloween cookies. These are from Pillsbury. We have pumpkins and ghost. They are pre-made sugar cookies with the patterns printed on them that you simply just put in the oven. They are 20 cookies each. We're going to start by putting our oven to 350 degrees. We're using a toaster oven, so we are going to have to do some smaller batches. These are the ghost cookies. Let's open them up and take a look. They are so cute. There they go. They are pre-made with the pattern printed on them. All you literally have to do is open them and put them in the oven. And here's our pumpkin with the little Pillsbury Doughboy dressed up in his Halloween costume. And there's the pumpkins with their little faces pre-printed as well. We are going to need a cookie tray. Now, because our oven's small, we're going to use 2. If you're using a full-size oven, you could just put them all in one batch in the oven, but because our toaster oven is so small, we are going to end up baking in tiny little batches. So let's go ahead and get these open. They are a little tough to open. Perfect. Oops, I knocked one of the cookies over. All right, they are pre-made and you just simply put them on an ungreased baking sheet and then you're going to pop them into the oven. They don't spread and they don't change shape. They will get slightly bigger, but we're hoping the pattern won't change too much on them. There we go. We got our first 6 on there. Again, with a bigger oven and a bigger tray, you could fit more of them. Sorry. Okay, let's try to rip open these pumpkin ones. I want to see their faces up close. Okay, let's just get that open. It is a little tough. And we will slide them out. Oh, look at their faces. These are actually more of a jack-o'-lantern cookie because they have the faces, not so much a pumpkin. But we will get our 6 of those on the tray. This is a really easy baking afternoon, evening day that you can do as long as you have parental or a supervisor because it does get quite hot. We're going to pop the first ones in the oven and it only takes 10 minutes and they will be ready to bake. So again, just make sure you do have some sort of help when you're dealing with an oven. You're going to need an oven mitt. And look, oh, Shally's back to join us. And our spatula. And a plate to put your cookies on. So let's go ahead and open up that oven, being very careful because it's hot. And we are going to pull out, ooh, it is a little hot, and set them down. To speed things up, we're going to go right ahead and stick our second tray in. And they are going to bake for another 10 minutes. And then we will have the first 2 sets of cookies. Let's get our spatula. I am going to have to switch hands with the oven mitt so that I can hold the hold the tray and the spatula to get those cookies onto the plate. Oh, it's still very hot. Now, they should just slide right off. My trays are a little old, so they do stick sometimes, but we're going to just carefully slide them onto the plate. And the patterns didn't change. They did get a little bit bigger, but I'm happy to see that they weren't distorted. And here we go. Let's line them up nice. And there you go. There's the first batch of cookies. These are so good, made by Pillsbury. And they smell, the whole kitchen is smelling fantastic. Now we'll wait while the second set is in the oven and boom, here we go. Let's open it up again, being very careful because of how hot it is. There's our ghost cookies. You can tell my tray is a little old with all of the usage on it. Now let's throw in the next one because we're going to keep this going. And we're going to close it up carefully because it is hot. And we're going to take those get those pumpkin ones baking, and we're going to get our ghost cookies off the tray and onto our plate. These are fantastic for Halloween parties. If you just want something to do when it's cold out, nice little Halloween treats for your family if you're going to have a party. We're having a party with our dolls, so these are going to be wonderful cookies to have. And we'll put them all up. And now that's the easiest baking I've ever done. Out of the box, into the oven. What do you guys think? Have you ever made these cookies before? Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more arts, crafts, and hauls. Talk to you next time.